Okay, so let's say we have this car going at a constant velocity or constant speed of 40 miles per hour. So we would have our cruise control on. So what we can do is actually make a graph of what this car is doing. And so I'm going to open up this program that we have on our school computer. It's called Logger Pro. So here it is. And this program allows us to make some fairly easy, quick graphs. We have an X and a Y data table, and then we have a graph here. We have our Y data on our Y-axis, our X data here. So our X data is going to be time. So I'm going to type that in. And the unit here will be the hour, since we've got miles per hour. That would be in the denominator. And the Y data is going to be our distance. I'll type that in. And the unit will be the mile. And so I get that done, and you can see that I've now changed this in time and distance, and then our axis labels are also changed. So at time 0, I actually am at the 0 mile location. I click my cruise control, and in 1 hour I have now gone 40 miles if I stay at 40 miles per hour with my cruise control. If I drive in a second hour, I would have went an additional 40 miles, or now I'm 80 miles from where I started. If I then go 3 hours, I'm at 120 miles. And if I go 4 hours, I'm 160 miles away from where I started. Notice the graph that we get here. We're always kind of looking for patterns in physics if we can, because these patterns can help show us what the object is doing. And so it looks like we have then this kind of line here. This is a linear pattern, and we can set up the computer then to actually create that line for us. If I go into Analyze and go down to Linear Fit, I get this perfect straight line. And I can maybe make this box a little bit bigger here. And we get this straight line here. And notice we get this equation, distance equals mx plus b. The b is the intercept where it goes through the y-axis, and that's at 0. The m then represents a slope, but that's my speed, 40 miles per hour. I kind of knew that my car was doing that. That's what I had my cruise control clicked in at. And so I get this perfect correlation. As long as I keep my cruise control on at that amount, 40 miles per hour, then I can show this pattern graphically with this straight line. We're going to be doing a little bit of these graphs in class also.